We are Tetr College of Business, class of 2028.
And we are Sir.
We're 8 billion project.
From 45 different countries, building over 21 D2C brands here in India. Welcome to the Tetr Brand Wars, the D2C Grand Finale. All the successful people are playing it. It's pickleball.
Have you ever had to choose between something that's really tasty and your health?
There is one great solution that solves all of these problems.
Very interesting concept.
I think they are trying to build a cult.
Too many questions, but it's my domain.
Do you want to take the first question? I'll take the second. Why would our customers buy from us? So this obviously is a product that we have to communicate a lot.
A lot.
You know, I have doubts.
Have you registered, patented anything behind this? Or it's just replaceable tomorrow?
So it's not replaceable. We are underway a patent process. So this can be professionally used in all the tournaments.
I think, in fact, you should go even more bold. You can't build a cult with a safe approach. How much are you looking to invest?
5 lakhs to invest in your company.
I'd like to invest.
I would love to invest, guys.
Thank you so much.
Very happy to discuss over a coffee.
I would invest and over a coffee.
Do a 1 lakh rupee check.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
It's really nice to see us at Pratham really give a customer testimonial in the middle of the whole pitch.
I think they were very observant, very attentive.
I'm so proud of everybody.
Inspiring to see all them do all this in such a short time.